Markforged is changing the pace of invention with the Digital Forge. The Digital Forge is an easy-to-use additive manufacturing platform that comprises best-in-class printers, cloud-based software, and both metal and composite materials, allowing designers, engineers, and manufacturers to go from design to part anywhere in the world.
I saw PayPal grow from pre-launch all the way up and on its trajectory to where it is now, and that is the payments leader online, no small feats. That's what I see in Markforged.
Back in 2013, when we founded Markforged, we had a choice. At the high end, you could buy these million-dollar metal machines, but the materials were toxic, flammable, and the machines were hard to use. At the low end, you could buy these desktop hobby printers. They were accessible and easy to use, but they just printed plastic parts. It wasn't something you could use for end use or a real application. At Markforged, we envisioned a fundamentally new way to 3D print. We would get the high-end, high-strength parts of the million-dollar machine, but you'd have the ease of use and accessibility of a desktop. And that's exactly what we set out to do. And in the process, we've begun to truly reinvent manufacturing.
We at Markforged are on the journey from 10,000 happy customers today to 100,000 happy customers in 2025. We're inviting you to join us on this journey. Our industry grew 10x from 2 billion in 2012 to almost 18 billion expected this year. Going forward, the industry expects to continue growing by another 100 billion until 2029.
The amazing thing behind Markforged is it's not merely a hardware company, it's a software company. So from the beginning, it's been architected with amazing software platform to network together all the 3D printers, and it can actually learn. So it looks and sees how part is being printed and can actually improve that.
And so in the future, like Markforged kind of closing the loop manufacturing is really delivering on the company's mission, which is reinvent manufacturing so you can build anything you imagine.
The printer is a big game changer. We can R&D real time now and go from concept to finished product quickly.
Today, we are already reinventing manufacturing by delivering on the most demanding application in aerospace and defense, military, space exploration, industrial automation, and automotive. We continue to invest into the future to ensure our customers can build anything they imagine.
Having the ability to 3D print our own metal components has really improved our development process.
The fact that the entire printer is super rigid, and once you close the top lid, all of that engineering point is just hidden out of sight.
When you have a Markforged printer on your desk, you have a box that can turn ideas into a physical reality. There's nothing that can stop you.
Markforged is the right company at the right time, with the right product and the right team. I'm inviting you to join us. Nothing can stop us.